This video dives into the top 5 DJI drones for photography in 2024 based on my analysis and insights. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. This sub-250G powerhouse packs a punch. While compact and travel-friendly, the Mini4 Pro boasts a Hasselblad sensor and shoots stunning 4K 60 FPS footage. Its gimbal stabilization ensures smooth shots, and features like quick shots offer creative flair for beginners. However, its smaller size translates to shorter flight times, 24 minutes, and lower wind resistance. My experience, the Mini4 Pro is my go-to for spontaneous adventures. Its portability and ease of use make it perfect for capturing quick, stunning shots on the go. But for longer expeditions or professional projects, I'd opt for a larger model. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This behemoth reigns supreme for serious photographers. With a dual Hasselblad camera system capturing stunning 5.7K footage, ProRes encoding, and a massive 46-minute flight time, it's a photographer's dream. Advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes make it ideal for complex maneuvers. However, its hefty price tag and size might deter casual users. My experience, while I haven't personally flown the Mavic 3 Pro, its specs and reviews speak for themselves. It's the pinnacle of drone photography technology, but its price point limits its accessibility. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 3 Pro bridges the gap between the Mini 4 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro. It offers a larger sensor, 1/1.3 inches CMOS for better low-light performance, shoots 4K 60 FPS video, and boasts a respectable 34-minute flight time. Its compact size and advanced features make it a versatile choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. My experience, if you seek a balance between portability, image quality, and flight time, the Mini 3 Pro shines. It offers excellent value for its price and is a compelling option for many photographers. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The Air 3 strikes a perfect balance between portability and power. Its 1/2 CMOS sensor captures stunning 5.1K footage, and its 40-minute flight time is impressive. Advanced features like Active Track 4.0 and Master Shots offer creative possibilities for both beginners and experienced pilots. However, its price tag might be higher than some prefer. My experience, while I haven't personally tested the Air 3, its well-rounded capabilities and positive reviews make it an attractive option for many photographers. It offers a good balance between features and affordability. Number 5. DJI Avata. For a truly unique experience, the Avata dives into the world of first-person view, FPV flying. Its goggles and motion controller offer an immersive flying experience, while the camera captures stabilized 4K 60 FPS footage. However, FPV flying requires practice and knowledge of regulations, and the Avata's ecosystem can be expensive. My experience, while I'm not an FPV expert, the Avata's potential for dynamic and immersive storytelling is undeniable. However, its niche appeal and learning curve limit its accessibility to casual photographers.